Hello guys and welcome back. And it's not been long since I recorded the last video. Okay, I'm recording this one because I just saw an opportunity on USD CAD. Okay, so I know that I have said that I won't enter a trade on USD again. Okay, but I really feel that this one is a good opportunity. And then since we still have a little bit of room, we could enter with the least risk. Okay, we could enter with the least risk. So I'm thinking of buying again. That's for USD CHF. Sorry, for USD CAD. So I'm thinking of buying USD CAD with the least risk possible. So for this, I am going to be using a pending order, and if it triggers our pending order, then fine. If it doesn't trigger, then fine. I'm going to enter my trade at this point, at this 61% retracement level. At this point, okay, so it's buying, and then we now have a retracement, and I estimate that it's going to buy at this retracement level because it's a level of confluence. Remember, as you can see, we have this point, and we have other points that are reacting around this level. Let me just draw a line at the level. So this is the level, right? We have a lot of reaction here, and I'm estimating that it's going to buy, and we can make our profit up. So I'm just going to enter a buy now. I'm going to enter a buy order. Okay, so I'm going to double click this guy, and I'm using, of course, the least risk possible, so 0.01. And for the stop loss is going to be let's make it 75 pips, and the take profit will be 236 pips, right? So it's a 3-to-1 ratio. So 3-to-1 ratio. And really, when I look at the distance from here to here, it's not much, so I'm really tempted to just enter buy a market execution order. I'm really tempted to enter market execution order, but I'm going to weigh the risks again and see. And since this is not an ideal situation, okay, since we are trying to just enter it, and for the risk, we do not want to kind of risk too much, I'm just going to leave it as a pending order. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it as a pending order. I won't enter market execution. So I'm going to create a buy limit order, and this will be the last trade we are trading in the direction of the USD. Okay, for now. So this will be the last trade. We are going to only enter more trades if the market goes in our favor. Okay, we're going to only enter more trades if the market goes in the favor of the US dollar, and we're able to manage our risk by taking our stop loss to break even, right? Remember what we spoke about in trade management and risk management. So we will only enter new opportunities when we are able to protect our trades. That's new opportunities in the direction of the US dollar. But for now, I just want to take this opportunity. Okay, so it's USD CAD, USD CAD. So open chart and USD CAD, new order 0.01, pending order. And it's buy limits, and this is the price. And then for the stop loss level, we have it like this: copy and paste. Then for the take profit level, we have it here. Where is it? Take profit level, we have it here, and paste. Perfect. So now we're just waiting for it to just touch here, and then the buy gets activated. Let me just turn this into a candle chart. Where is it? Okay, this is it. So we just want it to come and hit here, and we'll then start to buy down to this point. Okay, so that's the opportunity I've seen on what we call it, on USD CHF, or USD CAD rather, not USD CHF. Okay, So we'll just go away and then come back later on, and hopefully our trade will get executed and hopefully we'll be in profit. So see you when I get back. Bye. So you can see that I am in profit on gold. Okay, so the gold trade is in profit. Okay, that's one of the trades. Remember, we entered two, so this one is in profit, and hopefully it's going to keep going in our direction. All right, now there was a news that came out. Okay, like you all knew, the news came out. Let me just refresh this, and we can see that this guy came out against the US dollar, and this other one came out in favor of the US dollar, and so we saw this long wick, right? So there was this long wick, and then it now started moving in favor of the US dollar. And let me just try to refresh this. And for these other ones, okay, these other ones are yet to happen, so we haven't seen this, and all these other ones should determine the overall movement of the market. Okay, so I'm just going to keep being in my trade, that's in my directions, in my positions, and I'm not going to protect anyone yet. Okay, I'm not going to protect anyone yet. There is a possibility that the trades will go and hit our entry points before continuing. So this is USD CHF, and you can see what happened after we bought. It came and sold heavily, and there was a quick rejection here, and hopefully we'll see it by the direction. Okay, going in our direction, and yeah. So far so good. This is it, and I'll just close the recording right now and come back when I am done. I'll come back later on, okay, when I see another opportunity or when I want to continue the video. Okay guys, so see you in the next one. Bye bye. And welcome back. As you can see, one of my trade was stopped out in profit. Now this is the trade I entered on gold. Okay, the second trade I entered on gold. So it reached my 1 hour target, and I was trailing it, and then the market now reacted and it stopped me out in profit. Okay, so it stopped me out in 7.86 profit, so I made about 778 pips in profit. Okay, yeah, so the other ones are still running. And for GBP CHF, this is GBP CHF, we know that I bought here, and then funny enough the market went against me heavily, and thank God I actually bought at 0.5 risk. Okay, I mean half my risk, right? I bought at half my risk, and the market went against me heavily, and it came to this point, and then since I still have half of my risk, which I had not exposed to the market, I re-entered for a buy again. So let's see where it goes. If it takes me out in this place, then fine, we'll look for better opportunities. All right. Yeah, and for GBP CHF, sorry, USD CHF, you can see that it started going against me. Sorry, it started going in my favor, like I predicted. So it bought and bought even to this point. Okay, but I did not trail it. Okay, I did not protect it, and then it's now started coming against me. You can see that right now it's a little bit at minus, but I will say this is more of a stop loss hunt. Okay, so there is a high chance that it's going to still go in my favor based on my own analysis. So I feel it's going to still go in my favor, so I'm just waiting to see what happens. Okay, so apart from this, I haven't done anything else. I haven't entered more trades, so we'll just see where these trades go. As you can see, I'm in 1 2 3 4 5 trades presently. The biggest loss is the biggest drawdown rather is minus $6. Okay, -$6, and I think my stop loss here is at 100 pips, so I still have a lot to go. So I'll just keep being in these trades and we'll see how they go. Right, all right, see you in the next video.